Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine. Today I have brought up a different type of video. अभी तक मैं different granny squares वगैरह बना रही थी and I'll be continuing doing those granny squares. But I thought कि आज की जो video है it's a little bit necessary for those who have just started and they don't know much information regarding the hooks and the yarns and their sizes, why different sizes of the hooks are being used, and when to use those sizes, and how to decide which size to be used for which yarn, which type of yarn. So I'll be covering these things today in my video. So let's start. So right now I have these three type of yarns. I also have other type of yarns also, but I'm just starting with these one. Okay, so this one is the pure cotton. Okay, this one is the cotton one, and this one is acrylic. Okay, and this one is also acrylic, but this one is 80% cotton, and the rest of the 20% a different material. Okay, and this one is acrylic. Okay, so we have different types of thickness right now here. Okay, so how to decide for which yarn we use which hook? Okay, so the way I have different types of yarns. If we talk about the hooks, we also have different types of hooks. There are a lot of different measurements which varies from 0.25 to somewhat like 8 mm and 7, 8 mm, right? So here, look, this one. If we talk about this, if you can see, look, this one is 4.5 mm. I usually see this one like, look, okay, like this. Okay, now you can see it clearly. Okay, so this is 4.5. Okay, now it's more clear. All right. This is 4.5 mm. Okay, so I'm going with the US sizes. So here UK sizes are also mentioned. So I usually go with US sizes, so I'm going with that. All right. So like this is 4.5 mm. Now we do have, look, this one is 6 mm. All right. Now every hook size, whatever hook you buy, they mention the hook size on its handle. Okay, so you can see with that which size is that. Look, this is 3 mm. All right. Now again, look, yes, this one is 3.5, and if we go to the higher ones, look, this one is also 3.5 and a different color. I have a lot of hooks, different hooks, so that's why you'll find same sizes. Look, this is 5.5 mm. Okay, so it all depends. There are different types of hooks also. Some are metallic, some are bamboo. These are the the handle is the plastic. Here it's all metallic, and you can see the hook size here. It's 4 mm, right? So I have somewhat like this. This is 5.5 mm. So it all depends which type of hook is best suitable for you. So you can choose those types of hooks. Now what we have to do is decide which crochet hook size is being used for which yarns. Okay, so right now I'm talking about these 3 yarns. So when you buy the yarn, there is always a tag attached to those balls. Okay, so like this one is for this, no, this one is for this, and this is for this one. So if you want to know that what type of material is this and what type of which yarn size, which hook size will be used for this, so all you have to do is read the label. Okay, now here is the label. Here they have mentioned how many grams and meters are in this ball. This one is used, so that's why it's open, it's not as new. So I have the label, so I'm just telling about. Look, here they have mentioned that it's 80% cotton and 20% viscose. And now here, look, this is the hook size for crochet. They are telling you that you can use 4.5 mm. 4.5 mm hook size is the best size for this yarn. Okay, 4.5 mm hook size is best for this yarn. Otherwise, if you want, you can use smaller sizes or the larger ones. But like if you use जैसे आपने कोई स्मॉल कोई छोटा वो यूज़ किया है, व्हाट वी से, कोई छोटा हुक यूज़ किया है, सो वो थोड़ा टाइट, यानी वो थोड़ा स्टर्डी, मतलब दैट विल बी मोर टाइट देन टाइटर एंड स्टर्डियर दैन द 4.5. अगर लेट्स से आपने इसके ऊपर 3 mm हुक यूज़ किया है, तो 3 mm हुक यूज़ करने से जो भी आप प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं दैट विल बी अ लॉट स्मॉलर. और अगर आप कोई बड़ा साइज़ यूज़ करते हैं, लेट्स से इंस्टेड ऑफ 4.5 यू आर यूजिंग 5 mm, सो ये इसका जो लुक होगा जो प्रोजेक्ट का, वो थोड़ा somewhat like loose होगा. And if you are knitting, so you can see this one. Okay, this one is for knitting and this one is for crocheting, and rest you can see that you cannot iron it and you can wash it. They have given the water temperature also. All you have to do is to read the label. Now for this, if we read the label here, look here they have mentioned for this for this type, okay, for this type of yarn you can use 4 mm hook. So that's why I usually use 4 mm hook, because most of the time I'm using this yarn for my projects, like मैं जो crochet granny squares बना रही हूँ, so those are all with this yarn. Okay, so that's why I always use 4 mm hook. But if you want, you can use the larger size or the smaller size, that all depends on you. Alright, so these are all mentioned. Okay, and here, like here they have written like this is 100% acrylic. Okay, now when we come to this type of yarn, okay, so this is the 100% cotton one. So if you see, they have mentioned it is 100% cotton. You can wash it in 40 degrees, you can iron it, and look here, here they have mentioned you can use the hook size from 2.5 to 3.5 according to your preference. Like कि अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट ऐसा है कि आप मतलब वो जो मेजरमेंट मांग रहा है, तो आप 2.5 से 3.5 mm के हुक्स में आप देख लें. आप 2.5 से 3.5 मतलब 3 टाइप्स ऑफ आप हुक्स 3 साइजेस यूज़ कर सकते हैं, 2.5, 3 एंड 3.5. ओके, 3 साइजेस ऑफ हुक्स इससे यूज़ हो सकते हैं. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आपको कितना बड़ा या कितना छोटा या किस तरह का चाहिए. ठीक है, सो ऑलवेज रीड द लेबल. ओके, always read the label, so you will get to know what type of hook you can use. Like I have all these hooks, so it's been time, so sometimes I just guess it myself. कभी कभी किसी चीज़ के ऊपर हुक नहीं लिखा, हुक साइज़ नहीं लिखा हुआ होता, या इफ़ यू हैव मिस्ड द लेबल. ओके, सो जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, आई जस्ट आई बॉल इट के विच हुक साइज would be better. Okay, otherwise always read the label and you'll get to know which hook size is better. That's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.